Hello everyone, my name is Andrea Villarreal, and today you will be learning about my internship I completed this spring for my Computer Information Technology degree at Florida State College at Jacksonville. Course number CIS1942 with Professor Sabina Masline. You will learn about my internship course, the company I interned with, the task I've completed, and how this internship has helped me. For this internship course, we were not only required to complete at least 50 intern hours, but we also learned more about some career essentials, like how to write resumes and cover letters. We also created a LinkedIn page and learned why networking is important. We were able to practice doing mock interviews and learned about and created an e-portfolio page. We also learned about negotiating tactics and why mentoring is essential. The company I interned with is called MI Technical Solutions here in Jacksonville, Florida, but there are many locations around the world and headquarters being in Chesapeake, Virginia. They also have a location in Groton, Connecticut, San Diego, California, Bremerton, Washington, Hawaii, Japan, and Guam. They had 12 employees here in the Jacksonville branch, with most of them being veterans just like myself. At MI Technical Solutions, they specialize in providing advanced hardware and software solutions to both government and commercial organizations. They primarily support military operations, including network engineering, cybersecurity, and system integrations. My role as an intern was to assist the network engineers with their daily operations. Usually, they had military clients and would need to do their work at the military bases, such as Mayport Naval Base and Submarine Base Kings Bay. So it was a good thing for me to have a security clearance and access to the military base. There were many tasks for me to assist with, like configuring and upgrading network devices such as Cisco switches, wireless LAN controllers, and access points, updating firmware, and ensuring network connectivity. I also created a lab environment to configure a SQL Server database for an e-tagout system that the Navy uses on board their ships. I assisted with troubleshooting outages, organizing equipment, and preparing hardware for deployment for a team traveling to Rota, Spain for a system migration. One of their weekly tasks is to go to Southeast Regional Maintenance Center on base and perform tenable ACAS scans for vulnerabilities in the building's Wi-Fi network. These scans are a proactive security check to ensure there are no holes or weak areas in the network that hackers can use to break into. We also went to each room to document feedback from users about their Wi-Fi issues. We created a heat map by checking signal strength for dead zones and sweet spots. Another important part of this learning experience was understanding ship-to-shore network migrations. These happen when Navy ships and submarines return to port and need to transfer their onboard network systems to land-based infrastructure. They conduct them locally for ships in the Mayport Basin and submarines at Kings Bay. They also have 10-day deployment teams that fly out to Spain 3 to 4 times a year for network migrations for Naval Station Rota. We created a lab environment to simulate this process, which gave me insight into how large-scale network operations are planned and executed. I believe this internship was a great learning experience for me because I gained a better understanding with Layer 2 and Layer 3 networking. I gained hands-on experience with Cisco switches, wireless LAN controllers, and IP addressing. I learned how to perform vulnerability scans for a Wi-Fi network. I improved my knowledge of cybersecurity practices, which included malware, phishing, and zero trust principles. I developed skills in network troubleshooting, configurations, and system upgrades. I gained exposure to SQL Server setups, virtualization, and enterprise IT environments. I learned the importance of teamwork, communication, and professional IT operations. This internship was very hands-on and a great way to learn directly from experienced professionals, which helped build my confidence and technical skills. I also enjoyed working as a team with fellow veterans. Being able to support military operations in a technical capacity was personally meaningful to me. I would highly recommend a similar internship to other students, especially those who are interested in network engineering or cybersecurity. I hope you enjoyed learning about my network engineering internship this semester. Thank you for your time.